Howdy, this is Plugable Technologies with another quick bite tech tip. Ever have your sound just vanish like Thanos snapped his fingers? Well, don't worry, we're about to bring it back. Sometimes when plugging in a docking station or headset, Windows 11 appears to send your audio into the multiverse. Well, let's fix that by setting your default audio device. First, check that your speakers or headphones are plugged in and powered on. Then, right-click the speaker icon in the bottom right of the taskbar and choose Sound Settings. Next, under Output, look for your device. Here I have my UD7400PD audio shown under Plugable Audio. I'm going to go ahead and select that. While you're here, you can also scroll down to Input to choose your microphone and make sure the correct device is selected. Once you're done selecting the correct audio device, close the window. And you're all set. You've done it. You've restored balance. This is Plugable, and that's another bite-sized tech tip. Stay tuned out there.